This is the unboxing of a Woven Chang leather wrapped steering wheel. This is a little less flashy than most of the ones that other people get. Other people get carbon fiber, all types of colors and stuff like that. But I decided to go with a OEM Plus style for the vehicle. As you can see, it's nicely wrapped, nicely secured inside the box. We have these preventing it from moving around. They could have easily thrown some packing peanuts or something simple like that, but they decided to go all the way and protect your new steering wheel. Ooh. Looks good so far. Let's see. I can already tell I'm gonna love it. Look at that, look at that. Full leather wrap steering wheel, perforated in the center, leather around top, black stitching. That's the option I opted for. All the steering wheels do have these notches on the back for easy gripping of the steering wheel. Looks high quality. Can't wait to put it on. See how this thing feels when I'm driving. As I mentioned, I do have an OEM style vehicle, but I did want a little bit more on the performance side. I wanted some grips right here, and also I started scratching on the sides of my standard steering wheel. So yeah, look at it. Just look at it. Looks good. Let's see how it fits in the vehicle. This is my current steering wheel setup. It's pretty nice still, but I don't necessarily like the wood trim. There's wood trim throughout. Not necessarily in love with it. I would like a darker, more sporty style. That's why I went with this leather steering wheel. Hopefully it trims it up pretty good. Eventually, I'm gonna replace that with like some black wood, so it matches better with our new steering wheel. I'm going to plasti dip that emblem. Of course, this is going to be flat bottom right here. It's going to be a black steering wheel. It's going to go well with my black floor mats and the back of the seats. I did replace my seats. I did go with the Braun racing seats. That's my kids kicking all over it. If you have kids, you understand what I'm saying. Black floor mats again. I think that black steering wheel is going to look pretty good. I am going to keep the cover for the steering wheel, and we'll see how that looks. If it doesn't look good, I'll just go ahead and order the cover as well later on. Without further ado, we went out with the old and in with the new. Looks pretty good. I think it matches the interior very well, with an exception of that wood. I'm gonna have to get that wood replaced. I may do the black wood, or I may just paint it or something like that. I still haven't figured out exactly what I was gonna do. So again, this is the Woven Chang flat bottom leather steering wheel. I went with something more basic, OEM style. I took some took some plasti dip to that emblem. That is the original airbag cover. The steering wheel matches up to it very well. I was a little worried that it wasn't gonna match. It was gonna look kind of weird when I put it in here, but after I put it in here and it grew on me for a day, I said, that looks pretty good. So let me know what you think. I guess we'll do a giveaway of this steering wheel at some point. Looks pretty good. Perforations, flat bottom, leather wrap around the outside. Feels really good in the hand, doesn't slip at all. Definitely feels sporty. A lot better than the stock wheel. Although I do love that. I did love it, especially early in the morning when it was nice and cold. I know that sounds weird, but I used to like the wood. But this is its own type of greatness. This is Keldon Williams of UTAG's Motoring. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what I should do next. Outside of this wood, that definitely has to go. And eventually I want to do some forced air in this thing, so I may do like a pillar up there with 3 gauges. And That's about it, man. I've done speakers already. I cleaned up the interior. I replaced this cover right here. I did LED everything on the inside. I think I'm coming to the end of this interior. And that's the video.